How's it going, yo? Back with another video, working on my 240 SLs. As you can see, got it up in there. Today, I'm gonna be working on getting this fat cannon off of here and welding on this cheap eBay muffler. Not a huge, crazy fan of the N1 style single tip exit, and it is extremely loud. And I think my frontal lobe is developing, so I'm trying to get something maybe a little bit quieter. Now that is a smaller muffler, so is it going to be quieter? I hope so. It was also like $50, so not really expecting much, but it was just a cheap throw it on, make it look a little bit better, because I like the dual tip exit looking better. So we'll see how that goes. First I'll get a video of a kind of a startup and a rev with this exhaust on it. And then once I get the new one on, then I will show you guys what that one sounds like. So, as you guys can see, I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but it's extremely loud. So, just looking to make it a little bit different. I'm used to it how it's been like that for the past God knows how long I've owned this car. So, yeah, just gonna get to work with cutting and welding on that. As you can see, I got the rear spares on with the ling-longs. So, maybe do a skid or two after this. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'll record as I go on what I do. That took way longer than it should have, but now I have back tailpipe off and I can get this cut off and we'll hold it on. But I will show you guys how it sounds with no muffler compared to with this one and that one. So as you guys can hear, that sounds really bad. So I'm just gonna work on getting this cut off, new one put on, and hopefully it doesn't sound too terrible, because this is an eBay muffler, so who knows. So this is the last of the cannon. It's now cut off. So I'm gonna bolt the piece back on and then kind of mock it up with it on the car, get it tacked up, pull it back off, weld it, send her on. Alright, so first I got this little like 3-inch section right here welded on just to extend it out more because that muffler is way shorter than that one. So now I'm gonna remount this on, tack the muffler to the pipe, and then I also have to cut the hanger off the old muffler and weld it to that one. So currently got it tacked on. Doesn't look too bad position wise. Maybe you should come a little bit to the right, but honestly I don't really mind it. It's a $50 muffler. So as it is, I'm just gonna take it off, finish welding it around, and then throw it back on, see what it looks like. Muffler is now completely welded. Still really bad welds. So now last part is to throw it on, get the hanger welded on, and we're gonna do a sound clip, see how it sounds. Alright, so now the muffler all welded up, the hanger is on, so I'm gonna set the camera up, get a little sound clip. So that's probably going to be it for at least this portion of the video. Still sounds really bad. But it's a less than $50 muffler, so I don't really know what else to expect. I think it looks better than the old, like the N1 style that was on it. Sit down here. So overall, I think it looks better. Still sounds terrible, but it's not really going to sound good until I bolt a turbo to the exhaust system. So, well, that'll be it for now for this. I will see you guys on the next video, or of whatever I do, or we do, when we do some of the Darvin's IC100. So yeah.